Hey guys, and welcome to this Apple Watch unboxing where we have the Series 10 in the new jet black color. Color that we've not seen since the iPhone 7, I believe. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. I'm excited to see this color. Like I said before, we've not had it in a while. Here it is. It looks nice on the box. I've also got a black strap with it, but I will be putting my Milanese loop on it just to show you how it looks. So I love the packaging of the inside. It's quite nice. The Apple Watch box itself is really thin, so let's get this done. One-handed unboxings are a bit difficult, but we'll get there in the end. So without further ado, this is my first look at the jet black Apple Watch. So the size we have here is 42 millimeters. I thought I put the bigger one, but turns out I didn't. The color is actually amazing, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm trying to focus on it, but it just doesn't seem to work. But I think it looks exactly like the jet black color that we had on the iPhone 7. I'm not sure if my Milanese loop is gonna fit on this, but I'll have a look just in case it does. But yeah, this is the Apple Watch Series 10. It's supposed to have a bigger screen compared to the last one, and yeah, not much of a design change. It's a bit thinner, which is it. But yeah, let me get this set up and then hopefully I can show you how it looks. Just for comparison's sake, this is the Ultra 1 and this is the Series 10. Yeah, big difference. I've also got the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in the dark color, so I'll do that as an unboxing as well. But yeah, this is just a quick look at the space gray Apple Watch Series 10. Yeah, I do like the loop. I've also realized that the 42mm is very small on my hand, so there's a reason why I don't get that size. One thing I have realized is this watch is going to be a fingerprint magnet. Good thing it's black because you won't be able to see it much, but yeah, it's not good. That's the back. Tried to focus on my phone, but it's not letting me. But yeah, this is just a quick look at the Apple Watch Series 10 in jet black. This is in 42mm, so let me know if you plan on buying one of these as well.